Hi, welcome to Software Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will going to discuss about how to do analysis of variance for RCBD and CRD designs using publicly available software called OPStat. Let me take you guys to the OPStat software. Go to browser and go to OPStat. Here you select one factor analysis. Before we go through analysis, let me introduce about how to prepare sample file for analysis of variance in RCBD or CRD design. So in this Excel file I have one example file how to arrange data for software. So you have to arrange data like all your applications should come in side by side columns like R1, R2, R3, and all your genotype should be in one column. Like here you can see genotype 1 to genotype 12. So for the first triad, for the second triad arrangement is same, but you have to keep it below the triad 1. Similarly for the triad 3. In this data I have 12 genotypes, 3 replications and 3 triads. Now let me go through the analysis part. In order to analysis in OPStat, you have to select only numericals. Don't select alphabets or okay. So here I have selected only numerical data and I'm going to software page. Here in the box I will paste my data and I will submit. Here you have to define how many number of treatments you have. In the example data list we have 12 and number of applications is 3 and number of triads or 3. So you have to select which design your experiment is carried out. In this I have carried out experiment in randomized block design, so I am going to select RBD. If you are conducted in lab experiment, so you can select CRD. So let me get through the analysis. Go after defining all the requirement, then go through with analyze. So here we will get result analysis of variance where source of variation is divided into replications, treatments, error and total. We are interested in mean sum of squares and F calculated value. So in order to know the significance, whether significant variability present or not between the treatments, we have to look into the F calculated value. If this F calculated value is higher than table F value, then we will come to know that our treatments are performing significantly different than each other. But we have to look into the F value of treatment. So here we have 243.74, it is higher than table F value, and we can also get to know through significance value. This is the probability value. Whenever this value is less than 0.05, whenever value is less than 0.05, it is significant at 5%. If it is less than 0.01, it is significant at 1%. So whatever the treatments we have, whatever the characters we have analyzed, all are significant here because our significance value is less than 0.01 even at 1%. So this is the analysis of variance, and you can also you will also get like coefficient of variation, standard error of mean, CD value in order to compare different treatments. After analyzing the things, it's very important to get into the get the output. So go to save as, and anywhere you select anywhere in your computer. I'm going to select on desktop. I will save it as ANOVA results, something your wish file name. It will save in web page. Go to save. After this, let me get into the result file. Here on my desktop I have saved ANOVA results. Open it, and so prepare your table using the results. you'll get all your analysis of variance in Word file. So from this Word file you have to take mean sum of square of each trade and its corresponding significance value. It will serve your purpose. Hope this video is helpful, and we'll meet you in the next video.